Welcome to Casagrand Orlena, kids-themed homes at Bengaluru. Orlena is located at Tanisandra with easy access to both Elements Mall and Hennur Main Road. It is surrounded by the city's major commercial parks, hospitals and schools. Orlena is a 4-acre property with 296 luxurious 2- and 3-bedroom homes. The project has a stunning modern elevation and elegant lighting that is unique to the Garden City. A carefully detailed entry with a security cabin, water cascade and well-crafted compound walls reflects the meticulous planning. 65% of the project's open space is preserved with lush green landscaping. The project is divided into 2 blocks by a central plaza, which provides natural lighting and ventilation from all 4 sides. The water feature provides a pleasant visual experience to the residents. Car parking is limited to basements, ensuring a car-free, pedestrian-friendly community. Orlena boasts over 80 amenities devoted only to the well-being of its residents. A total of 30 amenities are being built exclusively for the enjoyment of children. Among the outdoor amenities are a wind chime garden, hammocks, an interactive fountain, a cricket practice pit, a half basketball court, a skating corner, a hump loop, and so on. The landscape gardens are designed to run the length of the blocks, providing inhabitants with lovely vistas from their houses. Amphitheatre, tree house, wall climbing, running loop, kids interactive play area, and maze garden are only a few of the attractions that will keep you entertained. The double-height lobbies are ideal for a leisurely conversation with your guests. Orlena also has a 24,500 square foot clubhouse with well-thought-out facilities. The community's luxurious architecture is reflected in the designer club lobby. The indoor amenities at the club consist of a multi-purpose hall, AV room, gym, yoga hall, squash court, badminton court, kids room, creche, indoor games and many more. Residents can enjoy a wholesome experience on the clubhouse terrace, which features a 2,700 square feet swimming pool with jacuzzi, a children's pool, lounge seating, and a poolside theatre. Come, experience and own your luxury home at Casagrand Orlena.